Welcome to the YouTube channel. This your boy AK. I'm here today to talk about how to improve your 1 rep max. First thing you want to do is put a weight on the bar that you're comfortable doing at least 5 to 10 reps with. When you get your weight on there that you do your 5 to 10 reps with, the next thing you want to do is increase your load. So put more weight on there where you can do a couple working sets, 3 to 5 reps. Once you get your weight on and you do your warm-up set, working set, you want to do like 2 to 3 working sets. Get your body fully warmed up. If you don't know where to start when you come in the gym, put a weight on that you feel comfortable with, where you feel like you could get a good amount of reps in. Don't come in and try to start high, close to the rep that you're trying to hit for your 1 rep max. If you're feeling good and warmed up, feeling a good pump, you can also increase. You want to keep your percentage down during your working sets. You want to keep it anywhere between 5 to 10% of the max weight that you already have on the bar when you're going up. Rest is also important. Make sure in between your sets you're giving your body enough time to recover. You don't want to create muscle fatigue by throwing weight on and lifting too fast. So you want to give your body enough time to rest. Let that blood flow get there, oxygen in the body, rest a little bit, then increase your weight and go up for your next set. After your last working warm-up set, now you want to give yourself 2 minutes before you do your first rep for your max. But when you're doing your working warm-ups, you want to rest for 1 minute. The reason why you're giving yourself 2 minutes to rest now is because you're going up max load and you lifting more weight. So you got to be able to give your body enough time to recover. Now I just completed my first set for my first PR, which is 2:45. Now you want to give your body enough time to rest before you do your next set. You only want to go up 5 to 10% or 10 to 20 pounds when you're going up in weight when you're doing your max rep. Now that I'm getting ready for my second max rep set, I increased the weight by 20 pounds. So now instead of doing 245, now I'm doing 265. Just wrapped up my 3rd attempt. Now I can keep going. Like I said before, I can go up 10 to 20 pounds on weight or 5 to 10%. So when you know you're getting close to your last set on max, keep that in mind. Don't try to jump too high. Don't let ego ruin a good quality max rep. So 315, I just hit 315. If 315 was my goal, and this was the max I was trying to hit on the PR for bench, now I would take 85% of 315 and create a workout plan for chest. I would do that 4 to 6 reps as a working set. And then I would do warm-up working sets with less than that weight. And then the same thing applies when you're trying to increase your 1 rep max for lower body. But you can improve that to 30 to 40 pounds when you're doing your max reps. So for this, if you're trying to improve strength, in your 1 rep max, take 85% of 315. If you're trying to increase your muscular hypertrophy, you do 67% to 85% of this. If you're trying to improve your muscular endurance and you're trying to move up with weight, you'll take 67% of this weight and you'll do at least 12 reps with. And that's how you create your workout plan for chest, lower body, squat, deadlifts. It depends on whatever you're doing. This is the basics. This is the foundation to increase your max and to create a workout routine that'll help you improve your max.